So I saw this when I was driving by and thought I'd come and show you to give you an idea of just how much rain we have had, so that you can see. And there's definitely, most of the suburbs here are pretty safe. They stay dry, but that doesn't mean that we don't have some water. You can definitely see this area here is starting to accumulate quite a bit of water. So it's starting to spill out of the banks of the irrigation ditch here, the irrigation canal. So yeah, we've definitely gotten some rain over the last 24 hours. This is about the extent of what we've seen from Hurricane Harvey so far. And it's still raining, and it's still gonna rain for maybe another 24 to 48 hours. So there's a good chance that this could fill up even more. You definitely see the wax is doing its job. Look at those beads. Looks good. All right, let's get out of here. I mean, normally this drainage ditch doesn't have too much water in it, but you can see right now it's quite full. That's quite deep. Coming over the sidewalk, spilling into these back areas here. I mean, that's what this area is for, but yeah, that's quite a lot of rain we've had again in the last 24 hours. All right, that's enough of that. Back to the car.